Hey, what's up, all you car lovers, all you Hot Wheel lovers out there? Then we got another box full of old blue cards. Probably going to break this down into different parts. So we'll call this first part A part. All right, let's get started here. What we got? Well, we got a Baby Ruth Dodge concept car. Ain't too bad looking, is it? Over there. And we got a Dodge Ram 1500. Federal Drug Enforcement. And we got a racer with opening body, Speed Spray Series. I gotta tell you, this thing here is heavy too. That's a heavy car. I bet that thing there will shoot down a track. We got one little faded right here, it just says fast on the track. Quicksilver Series. Not sure what it is, but it's supposed to be fast on the track. Okay. And we got a Troop Convoy, another faded package. A little opening back there in the back. Don't know what it is, but it's from Walmart, 92 cents. Whenever that was. And we got another Premier Collector's model with the guitar. That's all I know. Twang Thang. Twang Thang. Okay. And we got a Unit 3. Proper chopper. Trackside assistance. Okay. And looks like a rail rodder. Premier Collector's model. Looks like something off of the Soul Train back in the day. Rail rodder. Spy Print Series. Undercover Operations. Confidential. Hot Wheels Secret Service. Okay. Got a Computer Warrior. Rolls and stands. Looks like a man. He will stand up, I guess, and he will roll. Right. Okay, we have another guitar car. What is this thing? It's got a propeller on the front. The Dog Fighter. K9, 84 cents, Walmart. The Dog Fighter, all right. And we got a scooter here, Scorching Scooter. Oh, Scorching Scooter itself. Okay. Got a Speed Shark. Got a real faded out package here. Gill vents. Guess that's the gills. Okay. Built-in driver. Yeah, I see him in there. Turbo Streak. 92 cent Walmart. Boy, they had some weird ones back then, didn't they? Salt Flat Racer. Okay, where's the other set of pipes sticking up? That one goes up and that one goes out. It's kind of weird. 92 cents at Walmart. Okay. What else? Alright, that's a twin mill 2. Twin mill, baby. Oh, Hot Wheels got a lot of twin mills, don't they? Okay, we got Dirty Dog. Street Rotor. Off-road mud monster. The Dirty Dog. Okay. Three-wheel winter racer. Some odd cars in this box. Really odd ones. Okay. Got the Flaming Graphics. 84 cents at Walmart. Police Cruiser. Got some lights up there. Okay. A real wild card. That's a real wild card. Okay, here. The Silhouette 2. Buick Wildcat. Tectone Series. Don't look like a Buick Wildcat that I know anything about, does it? You? Okay. The Dragon Wagon. Torque with teeth. That's an ugly thing. I am not into these things at all. Double Demon. Whatever that is. But it's a Double Demon. Not in it either. Dang, finally, something different. King of the Road. It's a little faded. That King of Diamonds. Street Beast. Dealer's Choice. Okay. One more. Elastic equipment compartments. Rescue Ranger. Now that's gonna wrap up part A. Like I said, that's some weird cars. But check it out. Check out my other videos. Once it's for Scale Race, please like and subscribe. Check out part B coming up. Thanks for watching. See you later.